What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. Let's get straight to it, man. We're going to keep this content pumping and hit the like, subscribe button for me so we can keep it going. We're going to get straight to it. We'll be talking about what can do well in a recession, some charts, some stocks that I like, and charting one-on-one. So we'll get straight to it. We're going to be talking about what could possibly be a worry for people. People keep asking me about what some good stocks to buy in a recession and things of that nature. These just a few umbrellas that we can dip into and we can hide our money in, and actually you can profit in during a recession. The things that typically do well. So we got number one, consumer staples, as you know, alcohol, utilities, healthcare, and basic transportation. So all these things typically do well historically during a recession. So consumer staples, which is bread, milk, toiletries, and other goods, the necessities, alcohol. So despite what's going on, people do not give up these vices, which is not number one, but one is alcohol. So energy companies. So the energy companies have been on a rampage over the past couple years, and they continue to do well. So electricity, gas, and water, all these things fall under that umbrella. Healthcare, that has always been probably one of the number one sectors will always be around, always be jobs, and there'll always be people getting sick and need medication. So basic transportation. So we need these goods transported because the consumers and the businesses that need these goods transported. So we got trucking, shipping, and railing transportation. So all these things fall under that umbrella. All these are places that you can look to diversify and put your money in. So this is just some gems that I wanted to share with a few people that kept asking me about the recession. Well, then we're going to get straight into these stocks that I like. We're going to get straight into these charts. For one, let me get this out the way real quick. So I'm going to slide this on over. So this is the S&P. I wanted to get into some charts because a couple people kept asking me about charting and what's my particular strategy. Everybody has their own strategy. I like price action. Not a lot of indicators. I don't really use indicators per se. But I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to show you a couple stocks that I like and I think that will do well. Specifically. So let's get this back on over here. So this is Boeing. I do like Boeing off of a engulfing entry. The first target for me, if we continue to get a nice push up, would definitely be around this range. So we got this is my first target. 187 to 190 is my very first target. And that's what I'm looking at. Should be a nice, easy trade if we get a nice bullish day or bullish week off this engulfing entry up to this level. That'll be my target. Price is currently at 182. So I'm looking for a run up to about 189, 190 area from 182. So from 187 to about 190, 189, somewhere up in that range. So then I like Apple. Apple's consolidating. Looks like they're ranging. Looks pretty good. If we get any bullish action on Apple, could be a nice run up to about 155. That would be my next target. Tesla is basing, looking good. They found support down here. If they break 200 and retest it, that would be a nice entry for me. I do also like The VIX. So the VIX, as you can see, we're down here. We're beneath 20 at this point. So if the VIX does not turn around within the next couple of days, we can see this thing come on back down to about, the first stop will be 17.5 and then 16. So I'm expecting the VIX to spike within the next month. The dollar index, as you can see, the dollar has completely came down. So the dollar has weakened, and they found support at was that 105, 104 area, and came back up, tested it, and then they dropped back down. So I'm expecting some more downside for the dollar if they can't. So you can look at the weekly, man. The first target will probably be around, we got 103 to 102. That would be the next support target for me. 103 to 102. 103 to 102. That'll be my next 101. 101, should I say, for the dollar index. The dollar keeps dropping. You know, the market is going to ramp up. So oil, let's get into oil. Oil has definitely came on down. Oil could spike any day, man, with what's going on with Russia. But they double bottom. We could see a spike in oil temporarily, but I'm thinking oil should be back down to about $70 to $65. That will probably be my target to potential buying points for oil. And then we have the NASDAQ looking good, looking pretty strong, and the Dow Jones is looking great. So if you zoom out, man, the Dow is looking really, really strong, man, really strong. Look at them, just on a rampage. So out of all the indexes, the Dow is looking the strongest, man. They're looking great. They still have a gap to fill down here at 28.3, though they came shy of that around 28.7. So I'm still expecting this gap to get filled down here. You can clearly see it right here. The market can turn down any day now. So those are the ones I'm looking at. Then we're going to get straight into some charts, man. So I'm going to get right on over here, and we're going to get, I decided to pick a relatively easy day so you can see what I would be watching and how we can draw trend lines on this stuff. So this is a fairly easy day. We can just get straight into it. So this would be, this is the wrong day. So an easy day. I picked a relatively easy day. Will be a spiking channel pattern. This is the day that I chose. So this is what we saw. So simple price action, man. We got a spike and a channel pattern. So if we remove these lines here, these trend lines, this is what I would be doing. So let's just kind of get this. We're going to get these bars off the screen so we can see what we would see typically. All right. So we got a spike up here. We're just going to do a trend line, quick trend line. Right. So prices have not opened yet. This is 8:55. So this is what price did in the overnight session. And we got them all right over here about 9:30. So this is 8:55. Then we got 9:30. So this is prices. So prices open up. We got a spike up, right? So the first thing I would be doing, I would be drawing a channel. So confirming a channel is not that difficult. It's, you'd be just how the highs have tested this line consistently. So you have your bottom trend line, correct? Then we have the lower side of the trend line. So I'm gonna just do a tight channel because that's what that's all I have for the price action. I don't know what's going to develop throughout the day, but this is what I have for the price action. So you could come up here where the stems are, or you can come tight. I like to have mine tight off the bodies. So 9:30, the price opens here. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. So we got price open here, right? So all right, so we got this channel going up, right? Then we got a big old spike down. So as you can see, big old red candle at 9:30, high volume, and we're expecting to see what price is going to do. So this is just me charting. The price is open. As you can see, prices is consolidating at this point. So they break out of my channel, right? They break right out of my channel. All right. So obviously the channel's confirmed because we have these two swings, spike in the channel pattern. They break out of it. So a break leads to a retest. So we're expecting price to, this is 940. So at this point, we got a two-legged correction, two legs down of this spike in channel pattern. I'm not looking to sell anything. I'm looking to buy. So as price comes down, we have another third leg down. So then we have a hammer. So at this point, I'm expecting a higher low if this is real, because I'm looking for a new high. So we got to push on up here, as you can see. Push on up. All right, big green candles. So I'm just waiting at this point. We got to test it as moving average, which could be a pullback. You could be buying this, but it's still early. It's about 9:45. That could be a possible entry, but I'm still waiting. I want to see what price is going to do. They continue to go higher, and then we got a big push down. So now this is my signal to look to be buying, because it's obviously they're pushing down and rejecting up here, double top in this huge uptrend. So I'm just waiting on prices. Boom, then we get a green candle, hammer, confirmation, higher low of this uptrend. We got to retest of this. We got to get a new high of this uptrend. So now I'm just looking to buy. This is my buy entry. Put my stop down here, and I'm buying. So this would be something that I'm looking at while I'm trading. So big red candle to trap all the folks in who going short early. It's about 9:54 at this point, and then I'm going long. So we can see what happens after this. Boom, nice push up, nice. You can take profit. Come on down. Now I'm looking for a bigger pattern because the push is so strong. So I'm looking for a bigger channel, something like this, right? So got a nice big channel here. We got the break of this channel. We got a new high of this channel. So now I'm looking for confirmation of the other side. Boom. Confirmation. All right. So this is my channel for today. I'm playing off this channel. If it gets confirmed, I will only be looking to buy. So we just waiting for prices to react to our levels. That's all we doing. When price start going sideways, we don't mess with it. And that's pretty much what they're doing. They're going sideways after this huge push up. So I'm going to back out so you can see what I'm looking at. All right, so this is what we got. All right, so we got this spiking up, consolidating. This is the bigger time frame. Then we got a big bullish bar, higher low This is nothing but buying. This is an easy day. On days like this, you don't look to sell anything. You're looking to buy, reasons to buy. So we got a bigger channel here. All right. I got confirmed. All right. Look at that. Look how prices fits. This is the smaller channel we had earlier. But obviously the move is so strong, we're looking for a bigger pattern. So this will be all I'm trading today. I'm just looking for price to react off these levels. And if price consolidates, I'm looking for a failed breakdown. So that's all that price action is. We're just looking for price to react off our levels. If they don't, we're not trading it. That's just simple price action. So this is just an easy day. All days aren't like this, but this is just some simple price action for you to get some charting in. So hope you guys like the content, man. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.